Makadini, Mose, Muscat, Guanani, Muscat, Maneru.
You understand what you're saying?
Yes,
What does-
Makadini, how are you?
Yes.
Guanani morning, Muscat afternoon, and Maneru is evening, and Dinonzi Sidra, Dinonzi Sidra, speaking, no, Tora Shona, Bichana.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Alright, so what about if I want to say, hope you're enjoying our video, how I'm going to say?
Ndinofunga kuti muri kufadzwa nemavideo edu.
One by one.
Ndinofunga kuti muri kufadzwa.
Ndinofunga kuti. Okay, ndinofunda kuti. Okay, ndinofunda kuti.
Ndinofunga. Inonga senga.
Ndinofunga
Senga.
ga.
Nge.
Gi.
Ngo.
Go.
Ngu. Ndinofunga. Kuti muri kufadzwa. Kuti
muri fazwa.
Muri ku from ka. You remember ka? Ka. Ki. Ko. Muri kufadzwa.
Muri kufazwa. And then?
Nema video edu.
Namenu video.
Nema
video.
Edu
video. Name edu video.
Nema video. Nema ma from ma me mi momo amai ma nema video edu. Yes.
Name edu video.
Nema video edu.
Name video edu. See bichana.
Yeah, so at least today it's better. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Wherever you are, we are here with Mam Fundis. So we are teaching it together, to speak Shona. We just kindly ask you guys to follow our page, to like our page as well, and to share our video as well as we grow together. Be blessed.